Fusion markets.
To publish your ideas, please navigate to your platform and click on the Publish tab. You will be given an option on how you will publish your ideas. You can also select the My Ideas icon. Then click the plus sign. A new box will be displayed in which you can enter the title of your idea, provide a description, and select a category. Then, click Continue, and it offers you the opportunity to choose how you would like your idea to be published. You have the option to select your preferred privacy settings, type, and investment strategy. Then you may click Publish Public Idea. You also have the option to personalize the content displayed on your My Ideas tab by clicking on the three dots or the setting icon. It will provide you with the option to choose what you want to display on your tab. Moreover, it offers the additional advantage of an ideas stream feature. These ideas are publicly shared by fellow traders.